You fine with casual sex or one night stands?
Casual sex. Yes. Yeah.
You find like you'll do it with anyone.
Yeah, what's the big deal? Like, you live once. What's there to do something and try something new out?
So it doesn't have to be your boyfriend, right?
No, not necessary.
Anyone. Like you'll go out with me and we'll have sex.
Yeah.
Are you guys virgin?
Yes. Obviously.
I'm not a virgin.
Are you a virgin?
No.
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
Are you a virgin?
Yes, I am.
Are you a virgin?
No. Yeah, I am a virgin.
Are you a virgin?
No. Yeah, I am. I'm still.
And how did you lose your virginity?
I met a boy in my area. I loved him very much. Till now we are together. With him, I lost my virginity.
How do others lose it, man? There's no different procedure to lose it. So
We're having sex.
No, like how it happened.
So we were on an outstation field trip, four of us, and I think the guy and me really got close.
At what age do Indian girls lose their virginity?
around marriage, after marriage only. 90% of them after marriage.
16.
Teenagers.
Mostly 18 or above 18. 18, maybe 20.
I guess 17. Perfect.
After 17. Around 16.
18. I think 19 or 20.
And are Indian girls fine with casual sex and one night stands?
Of course they are. Of course they are.
You're fine with that?
Yeah, I would be cool with that. Yeah, I think 60% of them are.
I think they'll prefer that their guy should be serious, and I don't think that they'll prefer one night stand. I don't think so.
So it doesn't have to be a serious boyfriend.
Can be. I mean, if for me, no, not sure.
So you'll just have sex with anyone.
If I am attracted to that person.
I don't think so.
Are Indian girls fine with casual sex or one night stands?
Casual sex, I think. Yeah.
Why are Indian girls so afraid or they are ashamed to reveal that they are not virgins?
I think it's because of the society, the kind of people that we live around. We're just scared that if I say this, what is going to be the reaction? So right now, if I'm talking about sex openly, I'm worried if my mother is going to see the video, what is she going to think about me? So I think that is the only reason.
Why were you so honest about it?
I think because there is a need for change. So if you want to see the change, then why be so scared about it?
Because Indians have a tendency to judge you very easily and they are scared. They don't want to be judged. So that is probably one of the reasons.
Because you know our Indian society, how people are. I mean, even if they are not virgin, themselves they are not virgin, they'll be like, oh my god, this girl is like, she's a slut and all.
Actually, Indian girls are very conservative because they come from very like secular and orthodox backgrounds. So for them it's very personal. Even if they kiss somebody, they be like, oh god, I had my first kiss and it was so this and that. But they don't reveal it like that.
Don't be scared, be yourself, and don't be afraid to have sex. I mean, why not? And don't be afraid to use the word sex. Like, you can just shout it. It's your life. Do anything that you want. And don't be afraid of what others are going to think of you, because that is going to make your life hell. Nothing but
Can you shout sex?
sex. I have to shout it right now. Sex. Okay, sex. Okay, not loud. Okay. Sex.